everything is fine. I was gonna go down to the fishing hole, but for those of y'all that don't know what I just said, I said fishing hole in but I didn't, because last night I was just laying up and I was just minding my own business. Next thing I know, I get bit by the gouge bug in my big toe, my right big toe.
He got the gout.
I got the gouge. So, you know, that ain't no fun to be hobbling around like you're 85 years old and you ain't. But it's all right. Everything gonna be fine. I know. Would you look at the road and not over here? What is wrong with you, Rummy? You trying to? What? This woman looking over here at y'all, and she supposed to be looking at the road. Fit to run us into the back of this
I
car.
was not either. Don't tell that tale.
You were fit to run up on the side
The
of the
police might be on this live. Don't tell that tale.
Well, hell, they gonna arrest you through the phone?
They might
What they
be
gonna
in the area.
Inbox you a ticket?
They might be in the
If
area.
they in the area, if they in the area on the phone with you and looking at you, how they gonna know to come pull you over? How they gonna pull you over? I don't understand. If they sitting there, if they driving and looking at you, they about to hit you.
They need a ticket, though.
They need the ticket. How you gonna tell me some police may be in the area? And if they looking at their phone, they ain't doing their job.
I'm finna take you over here to your apartment.
I ain't got no apartment around here. You gonna tell me what you where I'm supposed to be? Girl, would you slow this car down? I don't understand. I don't get it. I don't get why you get to drive so fast and crazy.
I'm not driving fast.
Is somebody hiring you? Is somebody hiring you? Why you got to drive like that? I don't know. Shoot, somebody tell me sometime. I don't understand. Young folks, it's just young folks. It's just crazy.
Whatever.
Whatever. Oh yeah,
Dexter,
now whatever.
Grandpa.
What?
You Dexter and Smooth, Grandpa?
Now why would you ask me anything like that? What do you think? What do you think, young lady? I don't understand how you still have a job. And you think everything is funny.
It is funny.
You is too pretty to act like that. I don't understand. Explain it to me.
Y'all, this man is crazy.
Watch where you going. I don't understand. This is my last time taking this Uber. I'm not taking this Uber no more. This young lady in this Uber car, if she got her camera up, she need to have it on her and not on me. Because she done took me, I came and asked her to get me something to eat. And here she go, ma'am, could you God dog it now? Lord have mercy, she about to run. Oh, Jesus. Young lady, you just busted your own tie. Let me get up out of here. I don't like stuff like this here. I just wanted me to ride to get something to eat, ma'am. I didn't want to do all of this here. This is not right. This is not right, ma'am.
It ain't right.
No, ma'am.